Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the correct way to invite your LinkedIn connections to an event. This method ensures your invitations reach them directly through notifications. Step 1. Attend the event. Start by navigating to the LinkedIn event page. Click on the Attend button to confirm your attendance. Step 2. Access the Invite feature. Once you've clicked Attend, the Share button will enable the invite functionality. Click Share. Step 3. You'll now see a list of your connections. Scroll through the list and select the checkboxes next to their names. Using the invite feature ensures that each invited person receives a direct notification, making this method far more effective. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Follow these steps to ensure your event invitations are effective and reach the right audience directly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're here to help.